The surface of the sun burns at 5500 degrees Celsius, but just above it, in the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona temperatures explode to over 1,000,000 degrees. It's a cosmic contradiction that has baffled scientists for decades. How can something farther from the heat source be hotter than the source itself? It's like standing near a bonfire and somehow the air meters away is millions of degrees hotter than the flames. This isn't just a solar mystery, it's one of the greatest unsolved puzzles in all of astrophysics. And today you are going to find out the answer, and it's more shocking than you think. In this video we are diving deep into the heart of the solar enigma. You'll discover the strange forces hitting the sun's atmosphere, the powerful waves racing across magnetic fields, and how this mystery is rewriting what we know about the stars, even our own future in space. Stay until the end because we'll also explore a bizarre experiment by NASA that almost didn't happen, and it may have finally cracked this mystery wide open. Let's start with what we know. The sun's surface, called the photosphere, gives off light and heat. It's hot, yes, but compared to what comes next, it's a tame. But by traveling just 2000 kilometers higher, less than the distance from Los Angeles to Dallas, and suddenly the temperature skyrockets up to 1 to 3 million degrees Celsius. That defies the laws of basic thermodynamics. Doesn't heat always move outwards, cooling as it travels? So what's going on here? To understand this, you have to think of the sun not as a ball of fire, but as a raging sea of plasma, charged particles locked inside twisted magnetic fields. These magnetic fields are not peaceful, they are violent, chaotic, and every so often they twist, snap, and rejoin in events called magnetic reconnection. Each time this happens, an unbelievable amount of energy is unleashed, like atomic bombs going off in space. This sudden, concentrated burst can launch particles to extreme speeds, hitting the surroundings corona almost instantly. NASA, ESA, and even private solar missions agree this is one of the key suspects in the heating mystery, but it's not the only one. There is something even stranger happening. Soundless waves moving through magnetic fields like ripples through invisible water. These are Alphen waves, powerful oscillations that travel along magnetic field lines in the sun's atmosphere. Imagine a wave cracking at the speed of light again and again. These waves carry vast amount of energy, and some scientists believe they are heating the corona by dumping this energy into the plasma. But here's the mystery. Why do these waves only seem to heat the outer layers and not the inner ones? It's like boiling a pot of water from the steam above it. It shouldn't work, but somehow it does. To solve this once and for all, NASA did something unthinkable. They launched a spacecraft to touch the sun. In 2018, the Parker Solar Probe was sent hurtling towards the corona at speed over 700,000 kilometers per hour, fast enough to fly from Earth to the moon in under 30 minutes. It's gone closer than any spacecraft before it, and what it found shocked everyone. As it skimmed through the sun's outer atmosphere, it detected magnetic switchbacks, sudden reversal in magnetic field direction. These switchbacks may be transferring energy from the sun's surface to its corona at hyper-efficient rates. This could be the missing puzzle piece. This isn't just science for curiosity's sake. Coronal heating is linked directly to solar storms, geomagnetic flares, and coronal mass ejection, which can cripple satellites, knock out power grids, and even endanger astronauts. And if we understand how the corona is superheated, we could one day predict and even shield ourselves from devastating solar outbursts. And in the future, we humans maybe one day build habitats near Mercury or mine solar energy in space. Understanding this dazzling atmosphere isn't optional, it's a survival. And in the end, if you learned something new today, smash that like button. And if you're fascinated by the mysteries of the sun, make sure to subscribe right now. Drop a comment below. What do you think is heating the corona? Plasma waves, magnetic chaos, or something humanity hasn't discovered yet? And don't miss out our next deep dive, the sun's magnetic field explained. And I'll meet you in the next video.